dear supporters of Institute of Chinese and Cantonese NPO. Happy New Year of Rabbit. So today is still cold here. Today I will end the series of Below the Lion Rock because the other two parts are repeated. So this part is the last part that I need to explain. So this will be the fourth part. And then I read out the English first, and then the Chinese. Together we are situated in the farthest of the sea and sky. Hold hand in hand and step on the rock and make it flattened. We all of us use hard effort to write down the never fading famous saying of Hong Kong. Okay, in Cantonese. 同處海角天邊，攜手踏平崎嶇。我哋大家用艱辛努力寫下那不朽香港名句。同處啦，同 last time we have explained that it is together. 海 and 天。海 means the sea, 天 means the sky. So 角 means 角 can be translated into horn, the horns of the animals. And then the 邊 can be translated into the edge. And 角 also can mean corner, that means the farthest point, okay? So 海角 and 天邊 means the farthest point of the sea and the sky. That means far, far away, the farthest point. 處 you can translate into located or situated. That means we are put under the same situation, which is sounds like you are put in the farthest side of the country or even the universe, so that it seems that you're deserted. Usually the farthest point, even in a rich country, usually they are less populated, okay? Maybe with fewer resources, so it is a poor region, okay? So even we are in the same situation that we lack resources, but let us hold hand in hand. 我哋大家 last time I explained that 我哋 and 大家 actually just emphasize that let us, we, all of us together, okay? And then 用 you can use you can translate into use, okay? 努力 means the effort you pay. So 艱辛 qualify the 努力, that means you have put a hard effort, a lot of effort, okay? And 寫下 write 寫, okay? To write down. 不朽 but last time I said that it means no or not or with no, okay? But here it means opposite of the 朽啦。朽 means 腐朽，腐朽 means something which can decay. For example, the wood, okay? When the wood decay, then we say 朽木啦 okay? So 不朽 means you won't decay. That means never fading. You can say never decaying, but I would say never fading, because when something which is famous, but you will not become less famous when the time goes by. So that means you will forever, you will be lasting forever. So I will translate into the never fading famous saying of Hong Kong. So never fading qualify the saying of Hong Kong, okay? Famous and never fading famous saying of Hong Kong. So what are these famous saying of Hong Kong? For example, in the recent year, you always heard in some Hong Kong videos, okay? Some very famous videos. You can hear the words add oil, 加油啦 or 獅子山精神 means the spirit. So let us have the Lion Rock spirit. That means just like what we have explained and understood in this song, that always tell about let us be together, let us use our hard effort, let us forget those sides, but let's enjoy the laughter. Something like that. That means a very positive are very encouraging. Those famous sayings you have been you might have heard in the Hong Kong movies, for example，做人冇夢想同一條鹹魚有咩分別？That means what are you different from a dead salted fish? If you have no dream, because as human beings we should have dream, but when you have no dreams, you just live like a salted fish. That means you are dead actually. So 同處海角天邊攜手踏平崎嶇。Okay, 崎嶇 we have explained already. 攜手 means let's hold hand in hand. 手 means your hand. 攜 means hold. Okay, 平 means flat. 踏 means you step on something is 踏. So when you last time we explained that the journey for hiking or traveling, hills after hills, road after road, just like the life journey, that you will come across difficulties, and your life may be as rough as a rugged hill. Okay, so your life is not smooth, your life can be tough. So but when we hold hands together and people after people are stepping on the rock hill, then the hill can be flattened, because when more and more people keep stepping on some even very rough rocks, then you will become smooth, right, one day. So 同處海角天邊, together we are situated in the farthest of the sea and sky. 攜手踏平崎嶇. That means we hold hand in hand and step on the rock and make it flattened. 我哋大家 we all of us 用艱辛努力use our hard effort 寫下那 to write down 不朽 the never fading 名句 is famous 香港 means Hong Kong. So you know that Hong Kong is 香港. Why here is 香港? So in Chinese we have many terms to represent the same place, same name, or same region, or same noun, same meaning. So 香港 and 香港 also means Hong Kong. So 江 means river, 港 means the harbor. So you know that Hong Kong is a harbor, right? So sometimes we can also use 香港 the center river instead of center harbor, okay, to represent Hong Kong. So the never fading famous saying of Hong Kong, 不朽香港名句. Thank you all of you.